Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jess, and today's ganap we are going to discuss Science 4, and we are now in MELC number 3, Characteristics of Magnetic Force. So we have our objective: describe the force exerted by magnets. So, are you familiar with magnets? Magnets have invincible magnetic field which are attracted to a certain metals. Magnets do not attract all metals. So, we cannot see the magnetic field of a magnet, and we cannot see it because it is invincible. And magnets do not attract all metals because there are magnets that doesn't contain metal, or shall we say they have no metals inside. Objects made of nickel, iron, and cobalt are attracted to magnet. So we have here examples of nickel, iron, and cobalt. So here's for the nickel. Here's our image for the nickel. There you go. So it contains metals. And then we have here iron. Okay, we have the chain, and we have the thing that we are using when we are ironing our clothes. Okay, in my time, I am using this iron, and also my mother is using this iron to iron our clothes. Then we have here cobalt. Here's the sample. Okay. So materials which are non-metals are not attracted by magnets, meaning they have no metals. These are rubber, plastic, cloth, or wood. So we have the rubbers, just like the rubber bands, and we have the tires. Okay. So it cannot be attracted to magnets, or they call non-metals. Then we have here plastics. We have plastic bottles, and we have cellophane. Okay, so they cannot also be attracted to magnets because they have no metals or non-metals. And we have cloths. We have here our dress we are wearing. We have towels, or either face towel or a kind of cloth. Then we have woods. Woods, there you go, chopped woods or trees. They are also non-metals. So there are several types of magnets, like ring magnets, rectangular magnets, horseshoe magnets, and bar magnets. So I provided images for you to know these types of magnets. The ends of the magnets are called its poles. One pole is called the North Pole, and the other one is the South Pole. So we have two poles in magnet, or in a magnet. So we have the North Pole and the South Pole. So later on you will see in the picture where is the North and where is the South Pole. So a magnet always has both North Pole and South Pole. Always remember that. And here are the types of magnets and its image. So we have here magnets. So these are called ring magnets. So I know that you are familiar with these ring magnets. Then we have here rectangular magnets. We have here horseshoe magnets. Okay, so its form is forming in a letter U. And we have here bar magnets. There, as you can see, there's a label, north and south. So the color of the north pole of a magnet is red, and its down is color dark blue or blue. So the force that a magnet exerts on certain materials, including other magnets, is called magnetic force, which we cannot able to see, or it is invincible. So it can attract other metals which we cannot see. So the force is exerted over a distance and includes forces of attraction and repulsion. So the force of the magnet, it is called the attraction if the material or the thing has a metal inside, and repulsion if they are not compatible, but the material or the thing contains metal inside, but it repels. Then we have here north and south poles of two magnets attract each other. So always remember that the partner of the north pole is the south pole, and they can be attracted together, while two north poles or two south poles repel each other. Meaning to say, they cannot be attracted, they repel each other. So they are being pushed apart. They are being pushed apart, while if the north and the south is together, they are attracted. So just like this one, we have here the north and the south and the north. So this is checked. So these two magnets can be attracted to each other. And then we have here attract, repel, repel. Okay, so it can be attracted, the south pole to north pole and the south to north. Yes, this is check. And we have here repel, north to north. When both north poles are attracted, so there is a repulsion. So this is cannot be attracted, or X. Then we have here repel if also the south and the south, or both south poles, it cannot be attracted, but instead it repels or push apart. When two poles of the magnets are put near each other, they have a force that will either pull them together or push them apart. So if the partner of the north is the south, so they are going to pull together. But if the partner of the north is also the north pole, so it will be push them apart, and also to the south and to the south pole. If the poles are different, then they will pull together. So as what I have said ago, north pole and south pole are partners, or the magnetic field attracts, or they can be attracted by magnets, I should say. Then one pole is a south pole and one is a north pole, so they are partnered together to have the pull together, and they can be attracted. If the poles are the same, then they will be pushed apart or repel each other. So meaning they will not be attracted, they will repel, or they will push apart. They cannot be attracted together. They are either both south poles or both north poles, as what I have said earlier. So the push and pull of a magnet is called magnetism. Magnets showing the north pole of a magnet is called magnetism. Magnets showing the north and the south poles attracting metallic objects. So here's the example. And always remember that the push and pull of a magnet is called magnetism. So here's the example. So as you can see, the horseshoe magnet attracts the materials or the metallic objects. Also on the second picture, it also attracted the metallic objects. So we have here a 1 to 5 short quiz. So direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, the push and pull of the magnet is called blank. So we have A, magnet, B, magnetism, C, north pole, D, south pole. Number 2, if the poles are different, then they will blank each other. A, push, B, pull, C, attract, D, repel. Number 3, if the poles are the same, then they will blank each other. A, push, B, pull, C, attract, D, repel. Number 4, the ends of the magnets are called A, push, B, pull, C, poles, D, repel. And number 5, what is this picture? A, rectangular magnet, B, ring magnet, C, horseshoe magnet, D, bar magnets. So that's all about the topic for today, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.